Okay, in last session, we look into synchronous counter. So therefore, in this session, we will look into asynchronous counter. Now, before we go to asynchronous counter, let's revise what we have studied in last session. That is synchronous counter, particularly up counter. So this was the circuit that we studied in last session, where this circuit is mode 8 parallel binary counter, that is up counter, synchronous counter, where they use 3 JK flip-flop. And the clock signal is given to all the flip-flop at the same time. So that's why they are known as synchronous counter. Now, in case of asynchronous counter, the clock signal will not give at the same time. So, if you when we study the asynchronous counter, so you will find everything similar to synchronous counter. The timing diagram, truth table, and the only difference will be the circuit diagram. The truth table will be same, timing diagram will be same. Now, the only difference that we will notice is the response of the output. In case of synchronous counter, your output, the time period of the output will be shorter than the time period of asynchronous counter. Since we are giving clock signal at the same time, so therefore the output display from the flip-flop A, flip-flop B, and flip-flop C will be much faster in the synchronous manner, which means the output display from flip-flop A, B, C will be at the same time. Whereas in case of asynchronous counter, the output display from individual flip-flop will be delayed. The fast flip-flop will display a bit faster because the clock signal will be given faster. Now let's look into this asynchronous counter. So this is the definition that we looked yesterday. So this is the circuit diagram for asynchronous counter. So that is up counter. Now, as I said, so we have two types for both asynchronous and synchronous counter, up counter and down counter. So if you mix up counter and down counter, then your circuit will become up down counter. Now, let me tell you the difference between up counter and down counter. In case of up counter, your output will be taken from A. So you know that JK flip-flop has two output, that is complementary. So if one output is 1, other output should be 0. So in case of up counter, the output is taken from A. Now in case of down counter, output will be taken from complementary output, that is 0, which means A bar. So if your connection is at A bar for the output for individual flip-flop from the A bar, B bar, and C bar, then such type of circuit will become the down counter. And the timing, then the truth table will be opposite way. So instead of starting from 0, 0, it will start from 1, 1. So this will be starting point and this will be the ending point. So which means the truth table will be opposite. Now, similar to the synchronous counter, that is up counter, synchronous counter. So timing diagram remains same. The only difference is the display of output. In this case, output will be displayed with delay. In case of synchronous counter, since the clock signal is given at the same time, therefore output from each flip-flop will display at the same time. So if you focus out here, your clock signal is given out on the fast flip-flop. So there is no clock given to flip-flop B, and similarly to flip-flop C directly from clock signal. Instead, it is given clock from the output of flip-flop, first flip-flop to second flip-flop to third flip-flop. So therefore, the output will act as a clock signal for successive flip-flop. So therefore, the timing diagram remains same. The only difference will be the display of output, which will be delayed in case of asynchronous counter. And this is the up counter. Now let me explain briefly about the timing diagram, which I have explained already in the synchronous counter, up counter, synchronous counter. Now in this case, you know the JK flip-flop output will be changed at the falling edge of the clock. Now when you give fast clock, then the output of the JK flip-flop will change at the falling edge, and it will go until next falling edge, that is at B, clock B. Similarly, that output will remain 0, and it will until the next falling edge of C, then it will change. Now if you look out here, your J and K is connected to VCC, which means higher. In case of flip-flop, you have two input, either plus 5 volt or 0 volt. So plus 5 volt is represent as 1 in binary number. In case of 0 volt, it is 0. But here the input is given plus VCC. So therefore, your input for J and K is 1, 1. So therefore, your output will be always in toggle mode. So therefore, it will be 1 0 1 0 1 0. So therefore it is a toggle mode. So therefore you have output at the output 1 0 1 0 1 0. So that is the reason why we are having output 1 0 1 0 at flip-flop A. Now at the flip-flop B, so the output of flip-flop A will act as a clock signal for flip-flop B. So therefore again, you have J and K equal to 1, 1, that is toggle mode. So when you give the clock signal, it will toggle the output from flip-flop B, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, the output of flip-flop B will act as a clock signal for flip-flop C. Now let's look at asynchronous counter, that is down counter. So this is the circuit for down counter. So if you give your clock to the successive flip-flop through the complementary, that is A bar to second flip-flop, and from complementary B bar to third flip-flop, then such type of circuit diagram is known as down counter, asynchronous counter. Down counter, asynchronous down counter. Now as I said, the truth table will be opposite to that of up counter. So if you look out here, you can see it is opposite of what we look into up counter. So it will count 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Then it will repeat 7. So only difference is the circuit connection and the truth table, and the timing diagram remains same. Now this is up-down counter, synchronous up-down counter. This is the circuit for synchronous up-down counter, asynchronous up-down counter. This one is the synchronous counter, up counter, which we have discussed last session. So this one is up-down counter for synchronous up-down counter. So if you have any doubt regarding synchronous and asynchronous counter, and both type of counter, synchronous has two types, that is up counter and down counter, and similarly asynchronous has up counter and down counter. The difference between up counter and down counter will be in the circuit diagram. If your output from the first flip-flop to second flip-flop is connected from A, then it will be up counter. If your first flip-flop to second flip-flop is connected from the complementary A bar to second flip-flop, then such type is known as down counter.